So guys, maglalaro tayo ng Crazy Teacher. At start pa lang tayo dito. Yan. At lagi natin dito teacher. Kaya humanda na kayo. Yan. Yan. Ayun na.
Today is the day I make the front cover of the paper. I mean,
Unang day
who
pa lang
else could
matatlo
it
natin si
be?
teacher.
Ah! My hand! My hand! Oh, it hurts so bad!
Yan. Naisahan na natin si teacher. Add salt in Misty's breakfast to teach her a lesson.
I'm definitely the best chef in the world!
Uy! Piling magaling magluto to ha. Ayun o, may salt. This salt.
Yummy, yummy, yummy!
Ah! Sarap ba?
Tastes so bad!
Dali lang naman pala trip natin dito si teacher. So guys, nakita nyo na kung paano natin si trip si teacher. So, dito na tayo magtatapos. So, babay na ulit.